Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the Jasmy update today. And Jasmy is really struggling to get above the demand box at the moment, and I've been looking at Jasmy for the past few days. Still no luck. We are not finding any luck, and I still cannot say that Jasmy is looking to move up to this technical target. That's going to be a little bit hard to say right now because you still have this little bit of that demand box that has not been quite broken just yet. We're still finding too much struggle at the moment to break above this demand box. Now if I dive in on the 4-hour time frame, of course there is a fake out that is happening already for Jasmy. You can see that if I do zoom in here, this is the absolute final place that we really need to see Jasmy get above. So you have that resistance, one resistance here. You got that wick to the upside, you try to make a fake out, but then again you are still inside that rectangle that I've showed you, this yellow rectangle. You can see that if you do try to zoom in there, no luck. Right over there, the candles are still pretty much inside of the of that demand box at the moment, which is now supply, by the way. So demand box, the other second demand box is to the downside, and this is just going to be called supply. So if I do bring down the demand right over there, and I'm going to compress the box just like that, the demand box is down here, and this is the supply. Now this is also another supply right over there. So there are two supplies, or you may say two resistance basically. So this is your support down here, the demand, that's your resistance or supply, and this is actually your resistance or supply. So two resistance, one demand, one support. That's pretty much how the pattern looks like. Now don't get me wrong, in here we still may see Jasmy trying to move up to this supply zone one more time. I cannot really say. All I'm trying to say is that, however, is just struggling to get above here, at least for now. It doesn't really mean you cannot get above to that technical target. And I personally kind of think, or I kind of do believe, that we may actually see that push in the future. Finger crossed. Not very sure, not very confident on this one, but I just kind of have that guts feeling we may be looking at that one in the future as well. So that's it for this quick update on Jasmy right now. If you're not going to break above this area and you try to come down and take out 4513, if you take out 4513, then you have the next week all the way down to 3771 in the future. So keep that in mind. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.